It's Thursday, and you know what that means. 3-Minute Thursday.
Expert instruction, invaluable tips, and ingenious tricks to unearth hidden treasure in 3 minutes or less.
There's two different ways to pinpoint on two different types of metal detectors. The first way I'm going to discuss is how to use a machine that has a pinpoint option, like the Discovery 3300, and how to pinpoint with a machine that doesn't have a pinpoint mode, like the Tracker 4. On Bounty Hunter concentric coils, you'll see two different size rings on a coil. The first will be the inner ring, which is a smaller ring. The second will be the outer ring, which is a larger ring. Dead center of the inner ring is the hot spot on these coils. The first process I'm going to explain is with a metal detector that has pinpoint mode, like the Discovery 3300. Now what I want to do is I want to X this target. So I'm using kind of an XY coordinates. So first I want to find the coordinates going this way. So now I'm directly over the target on our coordinates perpendicular to how we're standing. So now we know the target is somewhere on that line. So now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate in a 90-degree angle. And then we're going to sweep going across to that perpendicular line. Again, we're going to stop where the sound is the most intense. And where those two lines cross is where that target is. Okay, so I lose it over here, just real soft, so I gotta move up. Oh, it's nice and loud there. Have you ever heard the term X marks the spot? Well, that's it. X marks the spot. How to pinpoint with a metal detector that does not have a pinpoint mode, like the Tracker 4. Where I hear that target is this line. See, I move off of it, no target. I move up on it, there's a target. So we know it's somewhere on that line. Now, we'll rotate 90 degrees and we'll try it again. Nothing here. Oh, I can hear it. And if I'm being honest, I'll use this method with metal detectors that have pinpoint mode as well, because it's just quicker. I suggest practicing with a quarter or some other metal target on top of the ground where you can see it. I hope you all enjoyed that video. Hey, if you want to see some more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out our 3-Minute Thursday. We release a new video every Thursday.